Stop thinking of AI as a chatbot, because in 2026, that model is already obsolete. We've entered the era of Agentic AI. Generative AI waited, it responded to prompts. Agentic AI doesn't wait, it decides, plans, and executes. With the release of GPT 5.4, Google's Gemma 4, and NVIDIA's Vera Rubin architecture, AI agents now have the reasoning power to handle complex, multi-step workflows across entire software ecosystems. Now imagine this. You say, optimize my Q3 marketing budget. The agent gathers competitor data, analyzes market trends, and reallocates the spend on its own. But autonomy comes with a cost. This week, IBM warned of a new threat: agentic attacks. Rogue AI systems exploiting vulnerabilities at machine speed. We are shifting from AI that helps you to AI that works for you. The digital workforce isn't coming, it's already here. This is the agentic revolution, and this is just the beginning. Follow the AIRA report for your next briefing.